Today we are talking about Semrush and whether it is really worth the best SEO tool for website or business. If you are trying to grow your website, rank on Google, or get more traffic, you probably heard about this tool. But the real question is, does it actually help, especially for the beginners? Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you find the best tools to grow faster. If you want to try this tool for your own website, I have shared a special link in the description where you can explore it easily. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description. So any special offer or trial gets applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First, what is Semrush? In simple words, it is an all-in-one SEO tool and marketing tool that helps you to find keywords, analyze competitor, track rankings, and improve your website performance. One of the most important feature is keyword research. This tool helps you find what people are searching on Google. You can see the search volume, competition level, and keyword difficulty. This is very useful because choosing the right keyword is the first step to ranking your content. Another powerful feature is competitor analysis. You can check your competitor's website and see which keywords they are ranking for, how much traffic they get, and what strategy they are using. This helps you learn from others instead of guessing everything yourself. Now, let's talk about the site audit. This feature scans your website and finds technical issues like broken links, slow pages, missing tags, and many more. Even if you are a beginner, it gives simple suggestions so you can fix problems step by step. There is also a rank tracking feature. This allows you to track your keyword position on Google. You can see if content is improving or dropping. This helps you to understand what is working and what needs improvement. Another useful feature is backlink analysis. Backlinks are very important for SEO, and this tool shows you who is linking to your website and where you can get new links. It also helps you to understand your domain strength. Now let's talk about the ease of use. Even though Semrush is a powerful tool, the dashboard is quite clean. Beginner may feel a little confused at first, but after some time it becomes easier to use. When it comes to pricing, it is not the cheapest tool. It is more suitable for the serious bloggers, businesses, and marketers. But if you are planning to grow long term, the value you get, that can be worth the pricing. And of course, there are some downsides too. The biggest one is cost, especially for the beginners. Also, because it has so many features, it can feel overwhelming in the beginning. So, is it the best SEO tool? For many users, yes, because it offers everything in one place, but it depends on your needs. If you want a complete SEO solution and you are serious about growth, then this tool is a very strong option. Overall, Semrush is a powerful and reliable platform that can help you grow your website step by step. That's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more simple and useful tech guides. And don't forget to check the link from description so your special offer gets applied automatically. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.